If you guys have a Valvetronic fault on your BMW and you have that annoying clicking noise coming from the engine compartment anytime you open your door or unlock it with the key fob, it's most likely coming from the Valvetronic motor. But the Valvetronic motor isn't always the problem. A lot of times it's actually the eccentric shaft, which is this shaft, and I'll show you guys what I found on this one. You can see right on the end right there, it's got a broken tooth. And that's what was causing the problem all along. So whenever you're replacing the Valvetronic motor, you should always do the eccentric shaft with it so you don't have to go back in there and do it all over again.